Lentil soup. Welcome everyone, let's discover together the recipe for making lentil soup. Before we start the video, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news about nutrition, well-being, typical dishes and recipes. Lentil soup is a hearty and nutritious dish that's easy to prepare. It's perfect for a comforting meal, especially during colder months. Here's a basic recipe for lentil soup. Ingredients: 1 cup dried lentils, green or brown, rinsed and drained. 1 onion, chopped. 2 carrots, peeled and chopped. 2 celery stalks, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, or use fresh tomatoes. 6 cups vegetable or chicken broth. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, optional. Salt and pepper, to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Juice of 1 lemon. Fresh parsley or cilantro for garnish, optional. Instructions: prepare the lentils, rinse the lentils thoroughly in a fine mesh sieve and remove any debris. Drain and set them aside. Sauté the aromatics. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté for about 5 minutes, or until the vegetables begin to soften. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the spices, sprinkle in the ground cumin, ground coriander, smoked paprika, if using, salt, and pepper. Stir well to coat the vegetables with the spices. Combine lentils and broth, add the rinsed lentils to the pot, followed by the diced tomatoes and vegetable or chicken broth. Stir everything together. Simmer, bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer uncovered. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the lentils and vegetables are tender. You can add more broth or water if you prefer a thinner consistency. Blend, optional for a creamier texture, you can use an immersion blender to partially blend the soup. This step is optional, but it can give your soup a thicker, heartier consistency. Add lemon juice, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the soup, stirring to combine. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt, pepper, or lemon juice if needed. Serve, ladle the hot lentil soup into bowls. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro if desired. You can also drizzle a bit of olive oil on top for extra flavor. Enjoy, serve your lentil soup with crusty bread or crackers for a complete meal. It's even better the next day when the flavors have had time to meld together. Feel free to customize your lentil soup with additional vegetables like spinach, kale, or bell peppers, or add some red pepper flakes for a bit of heat. Enjoy your homemade lentil soup. Thank you for following us on this journey to discovery of lentil soup.